Hey, Dad.
Hey, how was Teacher's Day? Did you guys have fun?
It was nice and we thanked all the teachers.
I know what you mean. I was also thanking my teachers.
Wait a minute, you thanked your teachers?
Yes, I did. I called my ex-boss, my friend Hussein, and my grandma.
But they're not your teachers.
You know, there are many people who teach us important lessons in life, and they're like teachers. My ex-boss taught me about my work, my friend Hussein taught me fishing, and my grandma taught me how to cook delicious food.
So then I better call Michael for teaching me how to ride a bike.
Michael, didn't I teach you?
Dad, who taught you how to drive?
Hello?
Hello. Remember me, Mr. Omar? I just called and wanted to say thank you. It's the Teacher's Day.
You look familiar, but I'm not teacher.
Yes, you are. Because you taught me how to drive. You remember the sandstorm we had to drive through?
Yes. I remember now.
Mr. Omar, will you be my teacher too?
Yes.